What? Is it going?
Yes. It's going right now. I'm going to the store.
What should we do?
What are we doing, girl?
You want me to record this? I don't know what's going on.
Jack, did you eat already?
Oh, she just got so...
I almost picked it up. Careful, there's a camera. Do you guys have to watch that garbage truck?
We stayed in Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah.
We saw him, we're like, going back inside.
What if we had to watch that thing? We had $100.
Oh, really?
The garbage truck had $100. Hell no. You guys put,
That's awesome.
Put fucking so funny someone's getting hit.
Who had what they just did to bring it up to that.
Hell no, no fucking put so funny. Oh my gosh.
I'll get soaked. Just don't.
I want to go, because I want to talk. It's right there. So we have to tell.
Yeah, it does.
They just like get around and now they're just like.
Who? They didn't sit around.
Yeah, they did. Angelica and them.
I don't know about her, but I don't like these ones. What? I'm gonna go get wet.